Hey guys, welcome to my um, web video presentation, and I'm going to start things here, but let me just show you what my work looks like on the page. So first I have my About Me page. Give me a second here, let everything load up. It's just give me a minute. It's taking some time to load it up. Okay, so this is basically everything. This is how I set up my website. I have my home page, my About Me page, my portfolio page, another portfolio page, and finally my contacts page, which is hidden somewhere right here on the right. The reason why I have set up everything this way was so that I would be able to provide more capacity of displaying my work. And what I mean by displaying my work, I mean giving each work a separate page so that you might be able to see things clearly and connect with me, with my social sites and things like that, such as Behance, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so forth. So the morale is, when you get to the portfolio page and you click on an icon or on an image, it will take you to a larger image, and then if you click on the larger image, it will take you to my Behance page, which is my other social portfolio site. So now let's start on the real work. Let's get to the home page. So now taking you to the home page, and the home page, as you know, some of you may know, or Professor Soliday might know, I had a slideshow right here on the home page, and that was the only sort of image and animation that I had going on at the time. So I thought, why not add a video instead of that slideshow? So I decided to hide the slideshow in this breakpoint right here at 1440, and I decided to put a video here instead. So this what you're looking at right now is a video widget. So that was the rationale for that. And as you can see, my layout is very neat, it's very decent, it's very organized. There's not that much problems here in terms of organization in the layout. And as you can see, I have patterns, a bit of a texture pattern thingy going on in the background to sort of set the backdrop for you, for the viewers and for the audience. And so that's what I have sort of done with this right here on the home page. Let's go to my About Me page. Okay, so this is my About Me page, and as you can see, my menu content is the same on every single page. Nothing changes. And so this is the way that I have set it up. On this About Me page, I have my quick introduction and my skills, and and other things in education and so forth, and work experience and certificate and licenses and stuff like that. But if you notice, behind the skills page right here, there's an image, but it's a muted image. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you know what I'm talking about. So if you can see, as you can see right here, there's this image that is dimmed at an effect of 17% to enable you to be able to read what I have posted here as my skills and things like that. And I do have skills and additional skills and training and so forth, but for the most part, it's not like I have a whole bunch of stuff on one page. Things are arranged very well. These are in their boxes. Everything has their own box, parameters and things. And you know, and then my footer items are always, these are the footer items. Anything below this line, these lines right here are called footer items, and they're always the same on every other page as well. Exceptional of this image right here you will only see on this page, but on other pages they're hidden, and in other breakpoints they're well, it's the same thing. So you know, that's the rationale for that, and as you can see, everything is there as well. I don't know why the pattern is not showing through this page, but I did have patterns in this page as well. So you know, that's the beauty of it. And then let's go into my portfolio page, and on my portfolio page I've included my images of my work, things I've done before and prior to all of this, and I mean, it looks awesome. Everything just fits perfectly. There's not a single problem, and it's just nicely laid, and you know, and like I said, these are responsive. These images are responsive. So if I were to preview this page right now in the browser, I'd be able to click on these images as buttons, and they would take me to larger versions of the same images on the same site. So that was the rationale for that. And then we have our so like I said earlier, I made another page for the portfolio because I couldn't fit everything on one page based on what I wanted to do. So I decided to make another page, and to arrange further my work, you know, and you can see these are different images of the same, you know, portfolio contents, but you know, the whole concept of being able to click on each button is the same also on this page. So they have larger versions on the site as well. Now let's get to the contacts page. So we're at the contacts page, and I've included an email widget, and also, if you notice, I've also included a buyer, like a shopper's widget as well. You know, so you can, if you're a consumer, you can leave your email address and things like that, and you can place an order for something. You, for example, if you want a logo or print graphic, corporate identity creation, you know, I've set that for $199, and you can click this button here, and it would actually click if it were in a preview state on an actual site, FTP hosting site, and web creation and things like that, and you know, package creation and all that, and you can file that with this button right here. So you know, I think the only thing I need to include with this widget is a comments page, and I'm going to do that as soon as I get a chance. But like I said, I don't have a separate phone page with masters and all that, because I find that it would be a bit of a task to do so. So instead I decided to do breakpoints like I mentioned earlier. If you can see right here, I'm at 1440 breakpoint, which is the largest for the desktop, and then there's the 1251, which is probably for things like laptops and stuff. And then if you go to the 900, you have the tablet size layout. And further down, if you go to my 380, you know, there's the phone version of all of this, and I'll show you that. Let me get you to my home page right quick. In fact, let me take you to the About Me page, and see, I have a breakpoint here at 386 for the phone version. Let's go down to that. Okay, so as you can see, this is my phone version. Professor Soliday, specifically, this is for you because I know you're looking for this, and I want to make sure that you understand what's going on here. So this is the phone version of the whole thing, and you see, I have my phone menu, alternate phone menu. So if you look here, there are no menus, no home menus and buttons for the phone version. The phone version has this other version of the menu. So here I have my home, my About Me, my portfolio, and my contacts. buttons all on this menu widget that I have created here. I have 2 of them. I don't know why, but I decided to do 2, so you choose whichever one you like. I guess these things will just arrange. You know, some of them will show, some of them won't show, whatever the issue may be. But so this is what I have done with the phone version of the sites, and I hope you can see this so that when you grade me for phone versions, you'll understand that my site is responsive and it has a phone version. So with that being said, I think it's about time for me to conclude this project and this presentation. And I just want to say that you know, I've taken the steps and, you know, everything and the precautionary measures to make sure that this works and this is good. If you haven't seen it, I'm sorry, but you're going to see it when I post a link, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about and the hard work that I went through just to make this work. I mean, my biggest problems were that sometimes when I would preview the page, the contents on the pages would be distorted. You know, you would have words here instead of in the box, they would be like right here, and then you would have images that would be disorganized. Instead of actually being on the page, they would be outside of the page. Or, you know, I had a lot of problems like that, and I still have those problems, but I found a way to make sure that I don't have any problems anymore. And so, you know, hence this is what I've decided to settle with. And I hope you guys enjoy that very much. And like I said, I fixed all those problems. So I had the problems and I fixed them, and I finally ended up with something that I was able to appreciate. And I know that you guys as well, including the audience and consumers alike, will appreciate and love and want to come back to often. So you know, I have my textures and my patterns behind this and all that, if you can see that. And I hope you guys enjoy this presentation, and please share this stuff with others, and let them know about me, and subscribe to my YouTube and social media pages and Behance pages as well, and follow me, you know what I'm saying. And may God bless you guys and have a great day. Bye.
It's Chris with the drama by